Hello, my name is Hello to you, and we're going to put some Terro liquid ant baits by this window because there's ants coming in this window. And we tried the cinnamon trick. Yeah, that doesn't work. So so much for holistic natural cures. Now we're going to go with chemical warfare. So here's what I'm going to do though. Instead of putting these inside the window at first anyway, I'm going to put them outside because I want the ants to be attracted to the outside, not the inside. So here, I'm going to go ahead and flip this screen. I don't see any ants at the moment. Well, I do see one. Or maybe a little dead one. So yeah, I'm going to put them on the ledge here. And I'm going to tape them down with good old masking tape. Nope, good old duct tape. Yeehaw, duct tape. Alright, so what you do is you hold these up, right, and then it says you break the tab. I don't know what the heck. Just peel it, I guess. Like that. Yeah, I guess that's it. And then I'm going to set them this way because the wind comes this way. And I don't want water to get in there and dilute it. And I'm actually going to probably spill, I'm going to spill a little bit on the edge here to get them going. And then, yeah, and then hopefully those ants will crawl up in there and take this poison back to the nest. Don't tell them what I'm doing. And, yeah, there are definitely some dead ants here, so I can see where they were crawling up on the windowsill. They're not active now because it just rained. But, yeah, I'll do one with the spill and then one with the regular. And that's what I'm doing here. Hope you can see that. And then don't fall out the window, camera. No, not me, the camera. I'm not gonna fall out the window. So, all right, since this is poison, I'm using gloves. Even though, man, they're ants. You know, you'd have to like ingest a whole ton of poison to like harm yourself. But just in case, it is a kitchen window, so I don't want contaminants near my foodstuffs. Of course, trying to like do, I'm gonna get rid of the gloves because trying to do duct tape with gloves on is like, I don't know, it's like trying to do duct tape with gloves on. There's really no good analogy. So. Alright, I'm going to tape it down, put the duct tape down, and tape it, like that. That should keep that in place, and then we'll do the other one, and then we'll report back and see if we see any ants going for the stuff, and see if there's any activity. I just saw a really fast little bug, but that looked like a flea or something. A tiny winged insect. Alright, so there's our Terro ant baits, or Terro ant baits on the window ledge. A little drop there to like attract them, and we'll be checking this window periodically and keep you updated. So I know this stuff works because it worked on a different window in the past, but I'm gonna close this up and that's all for now. So, goodbye to you, and I'll let you know what happens. Have a great day.